Hello guys, hope doing well. This is operational amplifier frequency pulse generator. As you can see, I'm changing the caps one by one and check the frequency. This is 3.7K, very nice frequency, very nice, very stable, really nice frequency. Look at the cap amount. I'm not sure that you're able to read the cap amount or not. This is 222. I'm going for the next cap, this one. Very nice, 1.6 kilohertz. This one. One 10 nano. This one. The frequency 7.2 kilohertz. Very nice. I'm counting the minutes to connect the project to a scope. I don't have the scope with me to test it now. I have just counter now. This is the last cap. 36390. 3 is not stable too much. I'm going for the schematic. This is pulse generator. Very nice project. You can see the schematic says that you have 2-channel operational amplifier gain 1458, 2-channel operational amplifier gain. The 2 channels operational amplifier gain can make very nice frequency. Like this chart here, or like me, you can change one by one and adjust your nice pulse here. Here is 369, 373, 367. Here is my power source, 3.7 volts. And the buzzer connected to the pin 7 as the schematic. Very good, thanks for watching. Also, I have function generator with same IC. This is the schematic. I will stay on if you want to take picture. As you can see, the square wave, triangle wave, and sine wave. Only with 2 dual channel operational amplifier gain. This is one of the best schematics for the function generator, for the simple one. As you can see, the frequency is 1 kilohertz. Look at the wave, sine, triangle, and the square wave. Also, here is my project. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.